Hey lovelies, welcome back to Dress, Dine, and Shine. If you're like me, lazy, sweet-toothed, and totally craving something cool and refreshing, then you're in for a treat today. We're whipping up a chilled, creamy Falooda using just 3 ingredients. Yes, 3. Let's get into it before the summer heat melts us away.
Recipe steps. If you're feeling lazy but still want to indulge your sweet cravings, here's your lifesaver Falooda recipe. You'll only need 300 milliliters water, 1 liter of milk, 1 packet of Falooda mix, which is easily available in stores, and optional but highly recommended Falooda ice cream. Okay, folks, time to mix it all up. Make sure everything's nice and smooth. Step 1. The base magic begins. All right, let's kick things off. Grab a large pot or mixing bowl, whichever you prefer. Pour in 300 ml of water and then add 1 liter of milk. Full-fat milk works best for that rich and creamy texture. Now, bring this mixture to a nice, gentle boil. Keep the heat on medium and give it an occasional stir. Don't walk away. We don't want burnt milk, right? Once it starts bubbling, reduce the flame, and it's time to add the magic, our Falooda mix. Tear open the packet and slowly add it in, stirring continuously. Make sure you stir well so everything dissolves perfectly. No lumps allowed here. Your kitchen is going to smell amazing already, trust me. And the best part? You barely did anything. This is literally a lazy day dessert dream come true. Step 2. Chill out, literally. Now that everything's mixed and slightly cooled, it's time to let the flavors get to know each other. Transfer the Falooda mixture to a jug or a large bowl and pop it in the fridge. Let it chill for at least a few hours. But if you have the patience, which I usually don't, leave it overnight. Why? Because overnight chilling helps the flavors deepen and makes the texture even better. While it chills, you can chill too. Watch a movie, scroll Instagram, or take a nap. Your Falooda is working behind the scenes. Step 3. Serve and slay. All right, the wait is over. Take that chilled mixture out of the fridge. Give it a little stir if needed, and then pour it into your favorite glass. Here comes the best part. Top it with a generous scoop of Falooda ice cream. Not a must, but highly recommended for that creamy, dreamy finish. You can even sprinkle some nuts or basil seeds if you're feeling fancy, but honestly, it's delicious as is. Boom! Creamy, chilled, and totally drool-worthy Falooda in just a few simple steps. And guess what? You did it with just 3 ingredients. Now that's a win. And there you have it, our super easy, no-fuss Falooda that looks fancy, tastes amazing, and totally feels like a dessert you spent hours on. But shh, your secret's safe with me. If you're all about lazy day treats that still impress, then you're in the right place. Go ahead and give this recipe a try. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. If you enjoyed this video, show some love by hitting that like button, subscribing to the channel, and tapping that cute little bell so you